Welcome to a place where ideas turn into real technology. Here, you'll learn how to build applications, develop smart IoT solutions, and understand artificial intelligence step by step. This channel is designed for beginners and creators who want practical skills, not just theory. We focus on learning by building, from writing your first line of code to creating real products ready for the market. You'll explore software development tutorials, IoT projects using real devices, and AI concepts applied to real-world problems. Whether you're just starting or already have an idea, this is your space to grow, learn, and create with confidence. Join the journey from zero to hero. Let's build the future, one project at a time. Subscribe to this channel. Let's learn, build, and launch together.